Signs, yes, you know what it means. The SignChina exhibition is here again. This year, an expo with traditional and modern solutions for digital printing, signage, industry, and LED lighting will take place in Shanghai. From September 17th to 19th, visitors and participants from over 145 countries will gather here for business opportunities, and Wattsan will present 9 machines there. And one of them is from the new CO2 laser cutter series. Let's start with the Wattsan 1530A. It's a lighter and lower version of our traditional metal cutters. It's additionally reinforced with the fire brakes for handling the temperatures up to 1720 Celsius. This model is built to work with the sheet metal, and it can cut, for example, carbon steel up to 20 mm. Then we have 3 CNC routers, Wattsan 1325 M3 for high volume productions with an automatic tool system for 8 instruments, 75 kW spindle, vacuum table, and aspiration system. Next is the Wattsan 1325 A1. It's a professional CNC machine with the T-slot table and a 3.2 kW spindle with the DSP controller and Reach Auto A11. Wattsan 0609 Mini for medium task with a heavy bed of 175 kg and ball screwed on all axes for smoother movement and high load capacity. Next is the Wattsan PA with a 300 watts laser source from JPT. It provides an adjustable pulse duration while maintaining the peak power, and because of that, you can work with the thick contaminations or high temperature sensitive materials. The Wattsan 5-in-1 machine also can clean as well as weld, cut, and perform the weld cleaning and energy storage welding. It has easily switchable nozzles and model for that. Also, 2 laser marking machines will be brought. The UVTT model with a 5 watts JPT source for long-lasting and high-quality images, QR code, and even miniature inscriptions. All thanks to the laser dot size that is 30 times smaller than the CO2 laser. The FLTT machine with a JPT M7 MOPA laser, which has a frequency range and pulse length mechanism that allows you to regulate them. As a result, the marker can create a high-quality deep engravings, high-contrast markings on plastic, thin material sheet, and much more. And the last one is a recent development from our engineer, a Wattsan 1690 Pro. It has a built-in chiller and compressor for space saving and reduced the setup time, built-in fire alarm, camera, remote control, and many more. Come and see all of these machines at work yourself. The SignChina 2025 will take place at Shanghai New International Expo Center. From September 17th to 19th, we will be at Hall E3, booth C21. See you.